Good morning, guys. This is Sika again. I want to showcase you around the aluminium. No, the pivot door. I've been in a series of steps, step by step, and so far where I've reached, it is not so bad. As you can see, I have finished this glass already mounted on the iron door. You can see. Uh, I used this wood to support my glass to enable it to have time to for the silicone to dry. As you can see, it is still dry, and I want to give it one more day to continue drying. See down there. So because it is um, a dough that was just made by people, it won't come out 100%. So it has some few problems here and there. The triangle, or the way it has to be, yeah, the diagonal, yes, it was not flowing well, because when you put it, you mount it on, this corner was coming out, so I had to put this wood there. So I believe that by tomorrow, after I have it has dried enough, we should be able to remove it. Now the door shall be perfect again. So this area was peeling out because of the diagonal situation. It was just made by a man, by hands. And again, also to this other side, the second side, you see, I've put a wood here to support it, to enable it to dry. We did this yesterday, and as you can see, we are giving it today, and then tomorrow we are going to remove the wood, and I believe by then it shall have dried. We used silicone around here, this edge, as you can see. I tried so much to be neat. You can see it was coming out in a straight line. So guys, this is another pivot door after the one that I made at Ayamarwa with Mr. Ebole of Interior Concepts in at the beginning of December, while the party was still there. So while the party was still going on. So this is the door. As you can see, we have put some stoppers down there so that it doesn't move, to allow the glass to dry. But we are going to insert the lock. I will be showing you how I'll be doing it. You have the lock for here. We shall mount it on top, and then the lock. Then the handle shall be here. Yeah. So after doing that, I think we shall have had our pivot door again. This is approximately 250 kgs. Yes, this is approximately 250 kgs. See, it's not even trying to give any sound of steel. Just like that, solid. It's not completely solid. I tried to innovate. That's why you can see those lines coming in. So come inside. At the moment, as we are continuing to wait for this one to dry, we're going to mount the glasses for here, and here. Then it is here to be painted, as you can see. We just wanted to start with the door, then give the level, give everything, other things chance to happen. So we had put the tiles were already put here, as you can see, but now the level refused. So we had to hack to remove the tiles to find a good level for the door now to enter without any problem. So this one shall be set again. This shall be removed, and a new level shall be set from where this one is lying. So as you can see, it ended so well. Perfectly up there. There's no big gap. So as you see, let me take you around to the windows. The other doors that we have, other doors that we are going to insert. So these are the glasses that we are going to go for the sides of that big frame that I've shown you, side and side. These ones. And then these ones, we have two more doors that we're going to mount on these glasses. to give it a good finish. Yeah, and also decorate, try to decorate it as we have done that. Let me show you again.